Question 5. 80 students are entering a dancing competition. The length of time that they each spend dancing has been recorded and has been presented in this grouped frequency table as follows. So there are 11 students, there are 11 dancers that spent between 0 and 12 minutes dancing. There are 15 dancers that spent between 36 and 48 dancers, so on and so forth. Question asks us to work out an estimate for the mean length of time that students spent dancing. Now, the reason why this is an estimate for the mean question and not an actual finding of the mean is because your groups here, these intervals, you do not have exact lengths of time. You have a group, a range, an interval which your students fall within. Now, the best guess of what numbers would be between them would be to pick the middle. Between 0 and 12, we're going to have 6. Between 12 and 24, we're going to have 18, so on, so forth. So we write down what's known as all of the midpoints. So the midpoints of these groups here. You can create your own little column like that. We then assume that each dancer that was in this group took 6 minutes, and we treat this effectively as a brand new question like so, where we're trying to find the mean using those values here. First thing we need to do is get our mini totals, so the total of all of the students from the first group, second group, so on and so forth, and we do that by multiplying how many dancers there were with this length of time here. So 11 sixes, we're going to get 66, 450 for the next one, 690, 630, and 324 give us our total minutes for each group. We then add them up to get a grand total, which will be 2,160 minutes. We then take that grand total of all of the minutes, or an estimate of all of the minutes, and we divide it by the number of students that there were. So we have 2,160, we divide it by 80, and that gives us 27, making 27 our estimate for the mean. Done.